Hi everybody, today I will talk about the topic nature. From the lesson I learned about something about the nature, like animal, like landscape, and many things in the world. My three sentences. Number one, I have new words, parachutes. I have sentences with parachutes. We parachuted into enemy territory. 2. We have newest paradise. So I have sentences with paradise is a place for those who have died. 3. Last one, I have the new word spectacular. I have sentences with spectacular is my country have a lot of spectacular landscape. B. Read aloud. It is properly no surprise that nature is beneficial to our mental health, from hitting the beach to talking along through the park. Multiple studies have shown that there's something about nature that helps us feel happier, more focused, or just generally better. But why that happens is tricky to figure out. From what physiologists can tell, true, it is not just about getting in some sunshine and vitamin D. Instead, it might have to do with our sense of belonging, the idea that nature is healing is not a new one, and exposure to natural environments has been an important part of mental health treatments for a long time, as early as the Middle Ages. Monasteries for those with mental illness create so-called restorative gardens, and in the 1800s as people designing mental hospitals was try and make sure their building were supported by access to natural land. So far, modern research really support this idea. Two studies have shown that being exposed to nature, whether it's a wilderness receiver or a tree like city trees, can improve well-being in a bunch of ways, both in those with and without clinical conditions. For example, a 2011 mental analysis studies looked at studies involving a total of almost 850 participants, mostly students. It found that exercising in a natural environment results in higher feelings of revitalism than doing the same exercise indoor, and another study from 2012 found that walking to nature for 15 minutes provided a mood boost and other cognitive benefits for 20 partic- participants with depressions.